uMnyango wezempilo eLimpopo uthi sekusemome ukuthi izidumbu zabangama-42 abadlula engozini yebhasi eMokopane ngenyanga eyedlule zibuyiselwe eBotswana.
The remains of these 42 have been packaged. Now the next step would be our Home Affairs is here for death registration, which is a process that will also require Botswana officials.
Eyezinto esabambezele ukukhishwa kwezimvume zokuwela ngezidumbu emngceleni wakuleli.
Department of Health will be able to, working with the undertaker, that we then receive all the documents that are needed and issue a transport, the export permit.
Ngenxa yokuthi abantu ababandakanyeka kule ngozi basha banqonqa kusenabantu abathathu abangakatholakali. Udokotela Ramathuba uthi izinsalela ezaqoqwa endaweni yengozi zithunyelwe ePitoli ukuba ziyohlolwa.
We are left with 3, and the 3 specimens again, they've been sent to Pretoria already as early as Friday. And as we are speaking, they are going through the stages.
Udokotela Ramathuba wethembise ukuthi yonke imindeni izobafihla abathandiweyo bayo. Le ngozi yenzeka ngosuku olwandulela iPhasika eMokopane eLimpopo. Kanti leli bhasi lalithwele abantu abangama-45 abangamalungu ebandla iZCC ababelibangise eMoria. Kule ngozi kwasinda intombazanyana eneminyaka eyisishiyagalombili eyabe ihamba noninakhulu. Kanti yelashwa izinsukwana nje yabe isibuyela ekhaya isihamba nonina.